My role specifically at Twin Oak Advisors is helping on the disability side of things. I do get a lot of PGY ones who ask, why do I need to pick up disability insurance now? If I get access to the training discount throughout training, why wouldn't I wait until the very end of training to pick up disability insurance?
So for the majority of residents and fellows, they have disability insurance, as you know, through the hospitals.
Yep.
Unfortunately, that coverage most often is pretty weak because you're not paying for it. You didn't have to answer any medical questions. What they provide to the house staff is the same as what they provide to the custodial staff. And so they really limit when the coverage pays out. And oftentimes they have what's called an any occupation definition, meaning the only way you would qualify for it is if you can't do 2 of 6 activities of daily living. Can't sweep a broom, greet a door, answer a phone. And so the reason people pick up disability insurance individually, one of the biggest reasons for me is that federal loan balance. What happens if we're knocked out of work? Well, if we're no longer here, if we pass away, the way the laws are currently written, that balance is expunged. It's discharged, it's not taxed to the family, it goes away. That's not the same clean case when it comes to being too hurt or too sick to work. The only way the Department of Education will discharge our loan balance is if we're deemed catastrophically disabled. So really in a pretty terrible situation. Well, if you recall, the coverage that's provided by our employer pays out when we're in a catastrophic situation, meaning that it's only paying out once those loans have already been discharged. Any injury or illness that we are too hurt or too sick to work, short of that, we're going to be responsible for paying off that loan balance. And so for all of my clients that have federal or private student loans, private even more so, because the rules and restrictions are even harder when it comes to disability, protecting their ability to repay the loan plan is simply a part of it. It's not even a separate discussion because it's, hey, we've helped build your foundation. Let's put a roof on the house in case there's a rainy day.